Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to another exciting episode of Azara Connect. Paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. For all the PC lovers, I'm taking you to the Gate Mall where there was a workshop conducted by Store974. In fact, it was 3 days workshop. I could capture 2 of the days where the technicians and the streamer were able to explain how to build a PC. I've taken some shots and glimpses of building the PC. I couldn't cover it all, but I'm sure whatever is being captured, you could get some idea on how to build the PC. I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece. Okay, you can see.
So the main components when you're building a PC is the CPU, the motherboard, the power supply, and the RAMs and the storage as well. Other than that, especially if your CPU has an integrated display, you don't need a graphics card for that. Okay? Especially if you're not going to be using it for gaming, maybe Excel file only or Word file, then you don't need a graphics card. But if you're going to use it for gaming, like this build we have here, you'll need to have a good graphics card. Okay? So those are the components that you need for building gaming PC. Graphics card, CPU, motherboard, power supply, storage, and a RAM. Okay? The case, not so much actually, just static wise for the case. And a good airflow for the case as well. Okay? That's good. But those are, if you want to put it on a test bench and just play with it without even a case, then you can do that as well. Okay? This we have here. So what we have here is a Thermaltake power supply, 660 watts. You have a CPU, a Ryzen. CPU, I'm not sure what, this is 7000 generation. I think this is Ryzen 7. Motherboard, it's compatible. This is B650i for the motherboard. And we've got 32 GB RAMs. What else do we have here? A 4070 GPU. Okay? This will be a high-end PC actually, not even a mid-range PC. 40 series, if you have 40 series, it's actually a really good graphics card. Okay? So you can play Fortnite with this at say maybe 200, 300 FPS at high settings. Okay? All good? That's about it.
Great.
Yeah.
Nice.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, if you want to watch again tomorrow,
Remember, when you're installing the motherboard, look for this directly. Makes life easier. No. Why? See how I put this in here? Come to the other side. And it has one bracket. The Intel has for this, we are using forest water. AMD and Intel. You can put it this way in some cases. That's no problem. Just make sure the pipe is in. Why do we have long screws? reason why we do this.